I don't think people understand the gravity of what's happening above our military bases at night. Let's dive into the mystery. A retired Pentagon official has dropped a bombshell. Massive motherships deploying swarms of drones over U.S. military bases. Picture this. 17 nights in December 2023, Langley Air Force Base under siege by small, agile drones with bizarre flight patterns. Despite the efforts of the Air Force and NASA, the origin and purpose of these drones are a complete enigma. What's more unsettling, these drones laugh in the face of our signal jamming attempts and seem to intentionally provoke. Similar drone intrusions have been reported at other high-security locations like Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works. Emergency meetings at the White House have left officials scratching their heads, baffled by the mysterious technology and intent behind these craft. Are we dealing with advanced foreign adversaries, or is this something beyond our comprehension? As investigations ramp up, the mystery only deepens. Military radar screens light up with unidentified objects, causing alarm and confusion among personnel. High-tech surveillance equipment captures footage that baffles scientists, showing drones with capabilities far beyond current technology. In military briefing rooms, officials discuss strategies to counter these mysterious intrusions, but solutions remain elusive. Historical UFO sightings and archival footage add layers to the mystery, suggesting a long-standing enigma. International news coverage and global reactions highlight the widespread concern and curiosity about these events. Speculation about advanced aerospace technology and futuristic drone designs fuels debates and theories. Scientists in labs analyze drone debris, hoping to uncover clues about their origin and technology. Military exercises and personnel training intensify, preparing for potential future encounters with these enigmatic drones. Dramatic reenactments of drone encounters create a tense atmosphere, highlighting the high stakes involved. The Pentagon official claims that these motherships are not just deploying drones, but are also controlling them with precision. These motherships are equipped with advanced control systems, allowing them to coordinate drone swarms with military precision. Military experts are analyzing data to understand the strategic implications of these drone swarms. The official warns that these drones could potentially disrupt military operations and compromise national security. The nature of the UFO mothership remains a mystery, but its capabilities suggest technology far beyond our current understanding. Stay tuned, because this story is far from over. Click like and subscribe to our channel for out-of-this-world updates.